Hello children! Do you know where the bees live? They live in the beehive. Let's make a beehive, okay? For that, you need an A4 paper and some yellow paint. Oops! Glue, a black pen, and a door shape A4 paper or a cardboard. Okay? Now, get your black pen and draw a big oval, okay, on the A4 paper, just like this, a big one. Like this. And draw some few lines inside your oval. You see? Great. Now, get your paint. We are going to make some fingerprints using your fingers, okay? Dip your finger into the paint and make some fingerprints inside your oval. Make as much as you can, okay? Make more. And keep few fingerprints even out of the oval. Just few. Just to draw few bees, okay? Now, leave it to dry. Once it is dried, get your black pen, your black marker pen, and draw little bees just like this on the fingerprint that you kept out of the oval, okay? Just like this. I'll show you one how to draw a bee. Like this. See, eyes and the legs. You see, tiny bees. And then get your door shape, put some glue on it. Stick it down on the oval. Ta-da! This is your beehive. Do you like it?